In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoice trackers in Airtable. We'll be using one of Airtable's built-in templates, which is a great option if you want to set up an organized system quickly without building everything from scratch. This approach is especially helpful if you want a clean starting point for tracking invoices, payments, due dates, and client-related details in one place. To begin, go to Airtable and open your workspace. Make sure you're on the main area where you can access your bases and workspace tools. If you're already signed in, this should only take a moment. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Templates and Apps. This is where Airtable provides ready-made setups for different use cases, including business operations, project management, and financial tracking. Click on Templates and Apps to open the template library. This is the fastest way to find a pre-built invoice tracking system that already includes a useful structure. Instead of manually creating fields and layouts, you can use a template as a foundation and customize it later to match your workflow. When the template library opens, click into the search bar and type in Invoice Tracker. Be as direct as possible with your search so Airtable can show you the most relevant template options. You should start seeing results related to invoicing, billing, or payment tracking. These templates are designed to help you monitor invoice status and keep important financial information organized. Next, click on a template that looks like a good fit for what you need. Take a moment to review the preview if it's available. This can help you understand the structure before you use it. For example, some templates may focus more on client records, while others may be centered around payment timelines or invoice statuses. Choosing the right one now can save you time later. Once you've selected the template you want, click on Try this template. This will add the template into your Airtable workspace so you can start working with it directly. After it loads, you'll be able to explore the tables, fields, and views that come with it. At this point, your invoice tracker is created and ready to use as a starting point. From here, you can begin adjusting the layout and content to fit your business or personal workflow. Using a template makes the setup process much easier, especially if you want a professional and organized system right away. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to create an invoice tracker in Airtable using a template.